If you own a Oneplus 5T Star Wars edition, you need to see this. There's a hidden message inside the poem card that you get. Basically it says that there's a hidden compartment in the box. Well, I'm gonna find it out. So here it is. It's on the bottom side of the box. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. We've got this package inside. Let's open this up. Alright, this is a holographic prism. So, and there is some assembly needs to be done. This is the drawing that tells you how to assemble it. It's pretty easy. You just have to box it up and fire up your weather app and search for the planet Ahch-To, which is the planet on which Luke stays in the Last Jedi. Now it's asking us to place the prism over this thing. Let's just do this. Oh my god, this is R2-D2 delivering a secret message. This is great, guys. If you haven't checked it out already, you should just do it. This is the Easter egg that Oneplus has placed inside this box, and this is exclusive for Oneplus 5T Star Wars edition cell phones, and this is just great for a Star Wars fan. This is really great. Never settle, Oneplus guys. This is great. This is how it should be done. So this is it, guys. If you liked the video, do hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Never settle.